My name's Josie. Welcome to Learn Pilates Beginner to Advanced. The course was inspired by the famous Joseph Pilates quote, "In 10 sessions you'll feel the difference, in 20 you'll see the difference, and in 30 you'll have a whole new body." You'll learn the complete original mat work sequence from beginner to advanced, which will transform your body and mind and give you a set of tools to help keep you toned, fit and healthy for the rest of your life. A series of workshops will help you understand the fundamental principles of Pilates, such as neutral alignment, core activation and thoracic breathing. We then move on to the beginner section, where you'll learn all the exercises suitable for this level in a series of 6 classes to be worked through at your own pace. The section ends with the complete classical sequence for beginner level. The next 2 sections follow the same pattern to move you through the intermediate and advanced stages. The structure of the course enables you to gradually build your experience as you progress through the levels, and great care is taken to ensure good technique so that the practice is safe and effective. The transformative benefits of Pilates include improved posture, which leads to improved breathing, for better health in general, increased energy and reduced stress levels. Improved flexibility, mobility and core strength, leading to greater freedom of movement. Muscle imbalances are corrected, reducing injuries, many health issues and back problems, and much, much more. This course comes with lifetime access and a downloadable guide to Pilates. The program is accessible to everyone of all ages and will help keep you fit, healthy and mobile throughout your life. So why not come and join me on the mat?